Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cybersecurity as we explore how to add passkeys to your Gmail account on a PC. This new update provides an extra layer of security, keeping your information safe and sound. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your settings. Now, from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to a more detailed configuration screen. Here, you'll want to click on the Accounts and Import tab. After that, locate and select Other Google Account Settings. On the next page, head over to the Security section on the left sidebar. Under How You Sign into Google, you'll find the option labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and do that, then click Next. This step ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Once you've accessed the passkeys settings, look for the Add a Passkey button and click on it. Finally, just follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the process of adding your passkey. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added an extra layer of security to your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on keeping your online presence safe.